In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove sound from video on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Photos application, and now let's open up some video. I'll go into Recents, and here I got a video for you. And there, all I have to do in order to remove sound from this video is hit on Edit, and there at the top left, as you see, here is volume icon. I just need to tap once on that icon to mute the sound and then hit on Done. And basically that's it. I have just muted that video. You can tap now on play, there you can volume up the sound, and as you see there are no sound at that video. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.